When it comes to Asian cuisine, Imperial's Chinese Wok Ranges and Teppan Yaki Griddles are built to withstand the high demands and high heat of Asian cooking while delivering unmatched durability and performance. Imperial products are manufactured in the USA using durable stainless steel and precision engineering. The Chinese Wok Range can be customized to fit the needs of your kitchen. Select from 36-inch to 214-inch widths and hole sizes from 13-inch to 24-inch in diameter. Each wok chamber also features a cast iron rim. Select from 3 standard burner types to provide intense, precise heat. A 3-ring burner with 110,000 BTUs. A 23-tip jet burner with 125,000 BTUs. An anti-clogging 18-tip jet burner with 125,000 BTUs. A 32-tip jet burner with 160,000 BTUs is also available. The sloped top design and built-in water cooling system keep the surface cool and make cleaning effortless even during peak hours. Select from automatic or manually controlled swing faucet. Knee-level L-shaped handle on jet burners conveniently adjusts gas, keeping hands free for cooking. The standard spice tray allows you to keep spices and sauces within hand's reach. An easy-access stainless steel blanching station is also available. Perfect for interactive dining and high-performance cooking, Imperial's Teppan Yaki Griddle offers unparalleled versatility and precision. The 30,000 BTU per hour round burner creates a hot spot in the center of the griddle. The burner has an adjustable gas valve and continuous pilot light for instant ignition. The 3/4 inch or optional 1-inch thick polished stainless steel surface ensures even heat distribution and flawless cooking results every time. The temperature control easily maintains the perfect temperature for any dish. The 24-inch deep plate creates more cooking surface, and widths are available from 24-inch to 60 inches. The front, sides, and ledge are made with high-quality stainless steel, as well as the 3.5-inch wide grease trough. Whether in a busy restaurant kitchen or show-stopping live station, the griddle fits seamlessly into any environment. Imperial, where reliability meets performance and excellence is always on the menu.